Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. Today we're going to continue our work from our previous lesson where we're using our place value chart and our vertical form to help us add numbers. So our learning goal for today says, I can make drawings to represent addition problems and relate it to the vertical standard algorithm or the vertical form. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are just your dry erase board. So make sure you have that before we get started. All right, friends. So here's our first problem. We're going to do this problem together, step by step, and then you guys will have one problem to do on your own today. So pretty easy video. So our first problem is 342 plus 169. We rewrite it vertically. And now let's draw our place value chart. So here's our place value chart, hundreds, tens, and ones. So go ahead and pause the video, rewrite this problem vertically, and draw just your place value chart, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, so our next step is now we can model both numbers on our place value chart. So you guys are going to pause the video, model 342 and 169. You don't have to solve anything yet, just model the problem. Pause, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, so 342 has 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 2 ones. 169 has 100, 6 tens, and 9 ones. Well, now we can solve the problem. So remember, you're going to start in the ones place. If you have 10 ones, you can bundle that and make a new 10. If you have 10 tens, you can bundle that and make 100. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, solve using your place value chart in the vertical form, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, let's talk about how we can solve this problem. So we always start in the ones place as we're adding. Well, I can look pretty quickly and see that I have 9 ones and then 2 more ones. Well, I know that 9 and 1 make a 10. Okay, so as I look at that, I can see that I'm going to have one new 10. So I have 1 left over and the new 10 that I just made. Now I move to my tens place. Oh, well, I can look right away and I know that 6 and 4 make 10. So I'm going to bundle those to make a new 100. And then I have 1 10 left over and my new 100 that I just made. So now I can add my hundreds place. 3 hundreds plus 100 plus that new 100 that I made is 500. So 342 plus 169 equals 511. All right, awesome job with that one, friends. All right, friends, so let's take a look at another problem. We have 545 plus 278. So we always want to rewrite our problem vertically. And now you guys are going to solve using your place value chart and the vertical form. So go ahead and pause the video, solve the whole problem. So draw your model with your place value chart, use the vertical form to solve, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. So here's my place value chart. 545 has 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Then we can see in 278, there's 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 8 ones. As I look in the ones place when I'm starting, I can already tell there's going to be more than 10 ones. So I'm going to bundle 10 of those ones and make a new 10. Then I'm left with 3 ones, and I have to model the new 10 that I just made in my vertical form. Now I move to my tens place, and I can see that there's going to be more than 10 tens, so I need to take 10 tens and bundle them together to make a new 100. So now I have 2 tens left over and the new 10 or the new 100 that I just bundled. So now in the hundreds place, I have 5 hundreds plus 2 hundreds plus 100 equals 8 hundreds. So the answer for 545 plus 278 equals 823. All right, friends, so easy peasy. You guys are pros now with using those math drawings to represent the addition problems and relating it to the vertical standard algorithm or the vertical form. So great job, friends. Please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!